Welcome to our review for rheumatoid arthritis. We'll be focusing more on the acupuncture treatment. Okay, Doc She, can you tell us the treatment regimen for the specific joint? Basic lang yan. Okay. For the shoulder, these are the points. The elbow, Li4, Li10, 11, Lang 5. For the wrist, as Santiao 4, 5, Li4,
Nandiyaw po.
5. Yeah, PC6. Fingers, Li4,
Finger,
SI3, and an extra point box. Hips,
vaccine.
GB30, bladder 54, stomach 30 for the knee. These are very local points, no? So you can't miss it. And the ankle, the toes. Okay. Rheumatoid arthritis has the following treatment regimen for the specified organ. Okay, for lung deficiency, what do you give? Of course, this is a chronic issue. Do not forget the back shoe, diba? And also the Janssen's point. Ay, wala ka pala
And
kahapon.
lulu. Is it lang?
Sige, let's ask na lang
Yan.
ano. Let's ask, babalikan kita mamaya.
Okay.
Ma'am Tricks. For lung deficiency,
Bladder 13, lung 1, and lung 9.
okay, lung one is the front move of um of the lung, no? And front move points are very good for excess, no? Of course, may pain yan, excess yan. Bladder 13, back shoe of the lung. Lung 9 is the yen source of the lung. Or kidney deficiency.
Bladder 23, kidney 3, run 4, run 6, and run 8.
Okay. For run 8, you only use moxa. Remember, that's the puso. For
Mm-mm.
liver deficiency,
Bladder 18 and liver 3.
okay. Bladder 18, this is the combination. Remember the combination kahapon? Ay, nagsisync, nag-ano siya, no? Di ba exciting? Just studied this yesterday that we can combine yuan source with bakshu. Oh, di ba
True.
expert na? What about spleen? Ako na. Sige.
Bladder,
Ito
okay,
na, oh.
sige.
Okay, how do you classify spleen 1?
Hmm.
Remember spleen 1. Jingwell, remember?
Wait.
Mm. Spleen 3 is
The
yan source. And spleen 6. Okay, actually 6 is spleen 6 ano tawag dito? Um Sun in Tiao ba yun? Yan ba yun? It treats liver, spleen, and kidney. The yin.
Nia.
Okay.
Yun pala yung answer ko kahapon.
Okay.
Na, na dapat split. Pero mali. Spin 4 kasi yung tinatanong.
So rheumatoid arthritis is the following treatment regimen based on its effectiveness. So ito yung mga star points. Okay? We have 214, Li4, stomach 30,
Oh,
and run.
run.
So these are like, because it was proven to work, so this will be your star points. And using Western medicine, it is confirmed, RA is confirmed if a patient has four of the following seven symptoms. What are these seven symptoms?
Morning stiffness. RA in 3 or more
Yeah, three or
joints. Hand
more.
joint arthritis.
Yes.
Symmetrical arthritis.
Okay.
Rheumatoid nodules.
Yeah.
Serum art. Radiology change.
Ah, diba? Okay. So, yun. So this is not an ordinary type of arthritis. RA generally requires no more than how many needles?
20 to 22.
Okay. What is the age of onset?
35 to 45.
Okay, so you're way below. The- Okay.
Wait,
Let's just
wait.
believe na mabata pa. What
Joke
does
lang.
RA affect?
Joints.
Dami, no? All of this, all joints. Huh?
All joints.
The spine even. So if there's spine involvement, if you're suspecting the spine is involved, you have to do an MRI or CT scan, no? Hmm. What are the initial symptoms? This is important.
Pain, stiffness, inflammation in the synovial joints,
Okay.
feet, as well as larger joints.
So don't just dismiss fatigue as something na napagod ka lang. You have to also, like, if three or more joints are involved, no? Saka may weight loss ka, anorexia. Okay. What are symptoms of RA when advanced?
Thickened synovial membrane
Okay.
with villus projections and inflammatory insights.
There will still, yeah, morning stiffness. Ay, advanced na pala to. Okay. The joints feel soft and they look puffy, joint deformity, severe weight loss. Oh, respiratory. Ang daming complications, no?
Oo. Oo.
Grabe. Kaya excited na ako marinig si Ma'am Mildred.
Mildred.
Meron pang Sjogren's syndrome, dry eyes, mouth, and vagina. Saan kaya dito? What are the non-pharmacological? We mentioned this earlier, di ba? I think everybody knows this. We have to promote mobility. Okay. Plasmapheresis, if it's severe. Of course, we can do hypnosis, acupuncture, imagery, nutrition support, relaxation, coping strategies. What are the RA lab tests?
Serum RA. Antibody. ACPA. RF.
Hmm. Anticyclic citrullination peptide. Okay.
ACPA.
Saka ano, ESR and C-reactive protein, mataas yan. Okay. Anyway, you don't have to know so much about this, but it pays to also know,
In
di ba?
case.
RBC,
Just
hemoglobin,
in case.
WBC, mataas. Okay? Platelets, pag late disease na, they may be increased. So it's malapot na talaga yung ano mo. What are other diagnostic tests? We have X-ray, we have CT scan, arthrocentesis to assess synovial fluid for immune complexes and inflammatory cells. Stages, okay, these are stage one. Okay, just go back to the presentation kanina.
No
Okay, so
synovitis.
yeah, synovitis is marked by synovial membrane.
Inflammation.
So stage two, if there's already
Synovial.
gradual destruction, no? And then stage three, synovial panus. Okay, meron na siyang exposure ng bone. And the last stage, the end stage, is loss of joint function. Genetic link, HLA-DR4 and HLA-DR1. Smoking will increase the risk of RA for persons who are genetically predisposed to disease and may interfere with treatment for diagnosed sons. So the onset is typically insidious, non-specific, and manifestations like fatigue, anorexia, weight loss, stiffness becomes more localized. No? Yeah. And there is also
Stress.
a
Work.
repeated stressful event, especially if your childbirth was traumatic or was very difficult. Spec-
Emotional up.
yes. So specific joint involvement. Oh, nakaka-stress naman to. So let's talk to the actual patient. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Doc.